connect iPhone with PC using iTunes. You can connect any iPhone with your PC using iTunes app. First, we will download iTunes app through Microsoft Store. Go to Microsoft Store, open Microsoft Store. Here go to app section. You may click on Microsoft Store app, iTunes, click on iTunes free app. Finally, click on install button. It will bring you Microsoft Store app as well, and here choose get button to install iTunes Apple app in your Windows PC to connect any of iPhone, and you can easily operate your iPhone through your Windows PC. Now open it, click on agree button on terms and conditions, click on agree. Thereafter, welcome a screen of your iTunes app will appear. Here choose agree again, and now go to your iPhone and connect with your PC through a cable, data cable. Connect in your iPhone with your PC through data cable. And enter your phone iPhone unlocking passcode as well, because such type of message will appear on your screen. iTunes could not connect, and choose connect, and your iPhone will successfully connected with your PC. Welcome to your new iPhone. Click on continue. Sync with iTunes. You can use iTunes to your sync music, videos, TV shows, and more to your iPhone. Click on get started. And all your iPhone information, capacity, phone number, serial number, all will visible here. You can easily operate your iPhone through Windows PC through iTunes Apple